What's up, Pyros? I just finished making this little 6-shot rack with Excal tubes. I took and cut the bottoms off of them was all I did. I think I ended up using 2-foot 2x on the bottom, and then whatever was left over ended up going on the sides. Worked out about perfect. You know, you can use table saw, whatever you want to do to cut the ends off the bases. I just used an oscillating tool. Worked perfect for me. But spacing's a little tight if you don't get it, you know, right with your oscillating tool or whatever you're going to use. But all in all, it's a decent rack. I'm actually going to add a handle over here at some point in time, probably tomorrow. Just didn't have one laying around today. But let's go try this bad boy out. Forgot to mention it cost me about $35 to make the rack, I believe. Got my brother down there, or my brother-in-law down there, ready to go. You good? And I'd say the rack did pretty well. Catch you guys on the next one.